We're on the way to Bala. Awesome. It's so sunny, amazing. And it's about, what time is it, Sam?
25 to 7.
25 to 7. And we've done not many miles yet. It is, but it'll take us another 1.5 hours to get there. We've done about half an hour now, because you know we're not far off Whitchurch. Sorted. Right, see you then. While we're here, there's Big Bertha ready set up. There's Sam, and we got some family with us. We got Aaron, Karen, Lorna, and Rambo, and Sapphire, and also Caesar. Yep, we have. Haven't we? Shut up, you. Yeah, it's all up. We bought the bikes. Look at that. Look at these new locks. They've had some kryptonites. They've had 2 of them on offer. Brilliant. And a new table, because this other one, it was wore. We've had it about 4 or 5 years, so we've got a new one. Here's Lorna. Yeah. And here's me. Should we have a look at the river? We've got the river just here. Look at the fire in already. Yeah. And here's the river. How beautiful is that? Such a lovely place. Yep, sheep over there.
And lamb.
They're the mountains.
Lamb chops there.
Lamb chops on the barbie. We're going to go down this river tomorrow.
There's a horsey.
On the kayak.
Oh, that's a goat.
That's it. There's Aaron and Karen's tent. Brilliant.
And my tent.
And Lorna and Lorna's tent. You showed your tattoo off there, Karen. Smart, Alice. Yeah.
I'm in my pyjamas.
You got your pyjamas on. Well, it is about, what? 8:30, isn't it? 9?
I bet it's 9.
9:15. It's still light. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at this. Right, what we've got anyway, start with dark fruit. So, cheers everybody.
Cheers.
And it'd be rude not to have a black cherry whiskey as well. So cheers again.
Moving Caesar.
And there's Sammy. Worn out. 2-hour trip down. Good trip. Brilliant. Right, so we'll see you later. Well, the gnats are out, and so am I. Jungle spray and ready. Look at my face. Yeah, you're not round me. You're not round me now, are you? Sorted. See you. Look at the fire. Oh yeah, we're having a good time. We just all had a munch on the whiskey. Brilliant. Dogs are being good. Everybody's being good. Yes, Lorna. Karen's legs are sprayed. You're so shiny we are.
No, I'm not sprayed because I never get bitten.
No, that's it. I'm shiny.
You look like you're sweaty.
It does look like I'm sweaty, that much on me. There's Rambo in the bikes, guarding the bikes. Shut up. Speak. Speak. Good boy. Sit down. There's Caesar. There's Aaron. Brilliant. Right, sorted. See you later.
Bye.
Morning. 7 o'clock. Look, I look like I'm still tired, but I've been awake half an hour. I have. Oh, there's look outside. There's Caesar on his chain, like. The dogs are ready to go out. They are. Brilliant. Look at this for a picture. Brilliant. That's Aaron and Sammy. Yeah, that's for a birthday of Aaron. How nice. Right. There's the Rotties. Rotty power. You won't go out, don't you? I can get the kettle on. Put the dogs out, get the kettle on. And probably have some Frosties. I'm looking for the sun. Come on, son, come out. Right, we'll see you in a bit. Yeah. Gonna beat a morning cuppy. Can you? Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. Perfect. Sam's up there, sleep. It's always 7 o'clock. And put us outside and have a walk the toilet. Oh yeah, beautiful. Can you hear the dogs? Right, let's get me pipe. Get me pipe, look at that. And that's it, dog food's made, cup is made. Right, Rambo's out, Caesar's up, and Lauren is up. There's only us up. Oh. Yeah, look at the views. Beautiful morning. Yeah, listen to the water. That is beautiful. It's ever so shallow here, but down there, that's where we was on with the kayak last year. Foggy. There's Big Beefy and the dogs. Right, you have my cuppy and some frosties, I think. I'll go toilet first. See you in a minute. Hey. There's a few people up there, isn't there? Quite a few come last night over that top field. About 11 o'clock we turned up. What a time turning up on the side. Look at there. Hey? Beautiful. Can you hear that river? You know, you can't beat it. Yes. Frosty time, I think. Look at there. Beautiful here. There are fish there. Yeah. Last time I was here, you could see grayling there swimming, nice size as well, ready for eating. If you can catch it. There's Big Beefy and Caesar and Lorna, and that's aye. Beautiful, beautiful. Like, brilliant. Right. Oh, isn't it quiet and peaceful with no one up? You can't beat up early. Right, see you later. And we're outside with the Frosties. Look, Caesar and Lorna and me. So we're 7:30. See you in a bit. Just look at these babies. Yeah, I've just been for a quick ride round on mine. Awesome, aren't they? I tell you what, this rack though, the rack is brilliant. But these arms are that tight on. I've took the other two off and put this over and leave me bikes and strapped into one another. Not happy with that part. The arms are rubbish. So do it that way. But look at this. Look how beautiful these look. Look at the size of the tyres. Hey, brilliant. Looks good. I'll do it from here. What a shot that'll be. Hey, never right. Awesome. I can take that picture now and put it on Instagram. Right, see you in a bit. Well, it's stopped raining now. Look at Caesar, wet. He didn't want to go in the tent. Look at all the mist over the mountains. Let me see if I can zoom in. It's warm. It's warmed up. Look at that mist. I'm going to zoom in somehow, I think. Let me come here. Wow. Look at all that mist. Lovely. You have to move slow. Look at the mountains. Brilliant. Let me get my sun on. Yeah, oh, you're close. I've got your head. Let me just bring it down. So I've got you, like off that film, the Hills Have Eyes. Yeah. Lovely. That's it. There's Rambo.
Caesar.
Yeah, I've got Caesar just. And my bikes.
Are we all coming out?
Yeah, if you want. Yeah, look what Sam's got. I'll cook over here if you want.
I thought we were all coming out.
Well, I've got a bit of shade from any wind. Yeah, right. Nice. Sam's got tons on there. Right, see you in a bit. Wow. Look what we got going here. I've got bacon and sausages. I haven't bought a stove. And I've got the bacon cooking and some sausages. So, he's gone toilet, so I'm chef. There's Lorna. And there's Sammy. That's it. Right, we'll see you in a bit. I've already done it, yeah. They are. Haven's turned up, he's turned up and they're nicely cooked. Look at all this.
I know, half
And
a
my
job.
son's here, half a job. He's come out now. That's it. That's it. Look at this. Brilliant, son. Got some nice bacon here now, which is ready cooked. Because now,
You even got a metal plate.
yeah. Oh, well, I use them, I do. Because now I'm going to be doing. Look at them.
Caesar, smile.
Yeah.
More bacon.
Sorted. No. I'm going to do some oatcakes now and cheese.
Oh, yeah.
See them, Em. There we go. Sausages look lovely. So do I. Now, beautiful views. Caesar, you a good boy? Right, sorted. Nice, seeing them, Em. How's that? A sausage, cheese, oatcake for Lorna. That's cooking nice, bacon's there. All the sausages cooked. I'm going to now have a sausage bap. Right, nice. And Aaron, what have you got?
2 sausage wraps.
And cheese. Buzzing. 2 sausages on a bap. Scooby snack. Nice. Beautiful. Well, that move in the awning now because it's just spotting. I've got more bacon on the go and more sausages. Everybody's hungry. Right, that'll do. I'll see you later. Barbie later as well. See you later. Well, I'm on my own. You've all gone town. I've stayed with the dogs. It's raining. It's been raining for hours. You know, well, the river's up anyway. Look. Yeah, it's running well. Still beautiful here. Even in the rain. There's Big Bertha. Me and Big Bertha. Right. You know, my dog's going to the camper. Caesar's in the tent and keeps coming out. Well, we want to Barbie later. So I hope it's going to stop raining. It's supposed to stop raining about 5 o'clock. So, look at my bike getting all wet. Look at this. How's they look? Beautiful, beautiful. Like the Barbie. Yeah. Come on then, light. It's a bit thick there, but it is lighting, I think. It's like this end. Yeah, that's it. Well, it stopped raining. We've been for a quick ride on the bikes, haven't we?
Yeah.
And now it's Barbie time. Have a look at that. That's it. Oh, see me tan? Yeah. Right, brilliant. Right, we'll see you in a bit. Right. Well, the Barbie's thingy. Me and Sam are going to have a quick ride down to that railway. We are on the bikes. Yeah, baby. Look at these. Tret Roscoe's. Right. Oh, you're short in there. Oh, well, I'm glad the rain stopped. They are, people. We'll see you in a minute. Yeah, there's Sam. Just by the river. Look at the river. Beautiful. Lovely here. Yeah. There's Sam behind me. Oh, we've been for a ride once. We have all the way down to the main road and everything. But I didn't do any filming. So I says, yeah, let's go and bike for a bit. Brilliant. Hello, Sam. Here she is, Luke. Two in focus. Oh, well, Barbie's lit. We'll be eating. Oh, I can't wait. Yeah. Yeah, look at the views. All the Welsh mountains. Yeah, we got ride up this. No sun. Sunny yesterday, sunny tomorrow. What about today? Come on. Go on then, Sam. Yeah. Here she is. Real. Tell you what, my thighs feeling ace pumped. My calves are pumped. Just riding up these hills. Yeah, there's some nice campers. But there's your right. There's a nice and there, Suntour 400. That's nice. Yeah, Sam got up the hill. Keeps you fit. It does. Nice little holding there. The showers are down there. Had a shower this morning. Brilliant. Lovely. And you know, where we are is right next to Bala railway station. Would you believe it? Oh. Yeah. Bala Lake railway station. That's what it says, if we can see it. Yeah. And here it is. Here, phone box. I'll have to get a picture of me bike next to the phone box and send it to In Search of Stoke. Because a few people have been doing that. They have. And here's Sam. Yeah. Hello, baby. Here, look at this. So In Search of Stoke, if you're watching, I'm going to take a picture and send it to you, buddy. Right, we'll see you in a bit. There's Sammy. There's the railway. This way. Wrong way, duck. It's beautiful here. Just look at there. Here's a guest house as well. And look who's here. Sam. Looking good, babe. Yeah, there we go. So instead of looking at my mug, you've got Sam. There we go. Yeah, look at the old PMT bus. Beautiful, look at the background. We've got the mountains, how nice. And there's Sam on the Roscoe, on the track with your gorgeous flowing hair. Look at that. Well, it's a lovely sight, this is. I can't pronounce it. I can't. but we're next to Bala Railway, Bala Lake Railway. Yeah. Wait. Oh, it's a bit bouncy here. Okay. Hello, Sam. Quite funny. In a minute, let me watch these humps. Hey. Yeah. Look at the mist up the mountains at the background. Beautiful, beautiful. Hello. Sexy Sammy. Yeah. It's nice. There's some lovely. Nice dog there as well. Yeah. Look at the elves. You can't beat a bit of countryside. You can't. You alright? Everyone's so friendly. Oh, look, there's Lorna on the swings. Hey, smile. You're on candid camera. You alright? Yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful. You alright? And there's Big Bertha. And there's Aaron and Karen. Hello. Look at that Barbie. Perfect. Perfect. Here we are. She's on the swing. Swings. There we go, lovely. There you are, Sam. Look at you now, windswept. Right, we'll see you in a bit. Oh, well, we're back off the run on the bike, and look at this. The Barbie is ready. Yeah, baby. Right, we'll get cooking now, get some food out. Hey, Sam?
Yeah.
Yep, get some food out. Just look at them. And guess what's popped out? The sun. Oh, my God. How nice is it now? You've still got the mist rolling in off the mountains. We're all round the fire, round the Barbie, waiting constantly for this food. But look at that sun. It's decided to show its face. First time today, ain't it? Yeah. Oh, brilliant. We're going to be blowing a kayak up in about an hour, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lake.
And yeah, that's it. We're going to do something on the lake. Yeah. Look at that. We'll probably go on the lake tomorrow, would you? We're going to be on the river. Yeah, baby. There we go. See the bear. And there we are. Lovely. Biggest. Lovely. We got chops, sausages, salad and everything. Lovely. But just to start off, we're on the burgers. See you in a bit. What have we got there, Sam? Lovely. And look what I've got. Look at this. Memphis barbecue pork loin steaks. Wow, they are duck. And first I'll say cheers. Oh, let's go. Oh, look at these. Look how thick them are.
They are pretty thick though, aren't they?
Them ones are.
No, they're not spicy, are they?
No.
Wow, we got loads in this one. Gotta move them over, get some. Wow, that's hot. Oh, look at these. How nice are these, eh?
Yeah.
Room for one more.
Oh, that is amazing. Let's just wipe. That's it. That is beaut. How nice is that? You know, we always eat good when we come away. Brilliant. So. Still foggy. Right, we'll see you in a bit. Ups now. Ho ho ho. Beautiful. That's it. And Sam's just brought out my salad. Oh, look at nice, look at them. Room for some chops, eh?
Cheese.
Yeah, cheese. That's it. Full had a great barbie. Them burgers were mint. Look at the rotties. They are. There's the bikes. Awesome, big Burfy. But these are nearly ready now, and they'll be on this. Right. That's today's cooking programme. Cooking with Chris and Sam. Right, see you soon. Oh, what a lovely chop. Nice. Karen's demolished hers, she was hungry. Aaron's done his. Yeah. Brilliant. Oh, they've cooked so nice. Look at that. Awesome. The sky is blue. Look at that. How nice. Look at the mountains. How nice has it come. Right, see you in a bit.